This is Rodrigo Peplau in the name of the Lame Horse team for the Sitecore Hackathon 2021 in the category Best Usage of Sitecore PowerShell Extensions. I will start by telling the purpose of the module. Basically, the module has been built to extend the Sitecore PowerShell Extensions reporting list view window, allowing content editors and content authors and marketers to process the results in multiple ways. We basically give this new button, Process Items, which will make the whole magic, and as you click it, you will be able to select among one of the multiple processing scripts to transform the results of the report. Basically, this here you see the publish script selected. Also, the module comes with a good number of useful processing scripts for several different needs, as you can see in this screenshot. Speaking about the installation, basically the installation is very easy. All you have to do is to first install the requirements. Even though it will work in past versions of Sitecore, it has been designed to work in the Sitecore 10.1 due to the Sitecore Hackathon. Also, you have to install the Sitecore PowerShell extension 6.2. Again, you can substitute that with another past versions. The scripts should work fine. The installation, you basically download the package lamehorse.horseshoes10.zip. It's a Sitecore package, and you install that using the Sitecore installation wizard. Configuration. The configuration is totally optional. You don't have to install, you don't have to run those steps. Basically, you can keep the settings that comes with the two scripts, but you in a real life situation want to have your API set up. The first one is in the tiny PNG for the image optimization. You have to change this path, this item, this path. In the line 4 and 5, substitute the API key and the URL with your information. And the other one is the cognitive services for content translation. Again, you have to edit this item, this script, and in the lines 12 and 13, they will be bringing your data instead of the one that comes with the module. Let's talk about the usage. First, I would like to speak about the reports as a list of items for processing. So let me switch back to Sitecore and tell you that, as everybody knows, Sitecore PowerShell extensions comes with a huge number of reports. And all of them, can be extended by the module presented to do things. So I will present here, I will select one report, items last updated, and I will select the home page, and I will select that item that has been modified after today. So here are my 3 items, and the home, replace strings in fields and translates. And with these results, I have our module here, the icon, where you can select among one of the available scripts to run. So let's go in details about each of the available scripts. I will start with the publish items, which is the simplest one. Basically, you select publish, and as you click OK, you have the chance to select the publish mode. I will let smart and click OK. As you finish, you see the 3 items processed successfully. Those 3 items has been published to web database. Next, replace strings in fields. Well, this is where you are able to, replace strings in a field as the name states, and I will get one example here. As you can see, the replace strings in fields has this title and this subtitle. I will replace hate by something else, something better. So I will select the script, replace string in fields. It's just telling that it can take a long time, so I will proceed, and I will change hate with love. 3 items processed. As I go back here, you see that hate has been substituted by love. Next, download package. This one is pretty useful. You'll be able to download basically the results of a report into a Sitecore package. So if you download the package and open, you will notice that the items inside are the 3 items that you see in the report. Next, optimize images. Also very useful, so if you have images that are too big, you can use our script to replace, to process those images and make them much smaller. I will select again this report, but this time I will select a different route to be able to select the images. There you go, and then I can select Tinify images. As the process finishes, the image has been optimized. Translate items. I will start with the translate itself. And the translate, as you can imagine, of course, will allow you to select the language. So I will select Portuguese. Okay, and I'll again trigger a second translation to Dutch. Dutch from Netherlands. Done. So as I go back to the content tree, you notice that we now have a version for Portuguese and a version for Dutch. And the 2 of them have corrected, their respective languages. The other one that is related to translation is, what if you want to remove versions from a language? So now I will present the other script, which is remove versions from a certain language. So I will select Dutch from Netherlands, and versions from that language will be removed, as you can see now. Dutch has 0 versions now. And the other script is allowing you to remove versions from all languages but one. So, and I will select the language English, and this will get rid of all other versions from other languages. As you can see now, when I go to Sitecore, only English has versions. All the other languages are gone. And that finishes our module. Thank you very much. Till the next hackathon.